Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquen. In this video series, I will build simple electronic circuits using electronic components used in robotics, right? Robotics is the branch of science and technology that deals with design, building and working of robots. Okay, robot is a machine that can sense, think and act. Also in this video I will discuss what is electronic circuit, the path through which electricity flows, right? And also discuss the list of electronic components which is used in robotics like capacitor, diode, transistor, IC, 555, timer and lots more. So go to the computer screen, slide by slide I will discuss today's topic elaborately. So let's dive in. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen. This is the introduction video on Robotics Practical, right? Know your electronic components. Robotics is the branch of science and technology that deals with design, building and working of robots, right? Robot is a machine that can sense, think and act. Okay. Now we talk about what is electronic circuit. A circuit is a path that allows electricity to flow, means the path through which the electrical charge flows. Okay, and when we talk about the electronic circuit, in our mind there is another question: what is the difference between electrical circuit and electronic circuit? Electrical circuit is concerned carries large current for power transmission, whereas electronic circuit controls small current for signal and processing, right? The current used in electrical circuit, it is alternating current. Okay, for electronic circuit is concerned, the current type is direct current. Okay, the devices which is used the electrical circuit like electrical kettle, fans, geyser, etc. Same thing for the devices which is used the electronic circuit like computer, smartphone, the remote control appliances, right? So like water flows through pipes, electric current flows through wires. Okay, circuit making with electronic components. So electronic circuit can build using electronic components, right? Now we talk about why circuit making is important in robotics. It is the first step to build robots, helps understand how sensor and motors works. Okay, teaches how electricity flows and controls devices. So these are the key components of robotics, right? The controllers, sensors, actuators, power conversion unit and user interface. Controllers, this is the brain of the robot, this is the central unit. Controllers take decisions, right? For sensors, these are the eyes, nose and ears of the robot. It is used for gathering information from the environment, right? And actuator, this is the muscles of the robot which is used to move or perform action physically, right? And the power conversion unit, it is the power unit which provides requisite voltage to all the parts of the robots. Okay, user interface is used, human can interact with the robots, can communicate with the robots. Okay, these 5 components are the key components of robotics, right? Now we talk about the electronic components used in robotics, right? Components used in this series like capacitor, diode, transistor, IC, 555 timer, LED, breadboard and wires. This is the image of the capacitor. It actually stores the electric charges temporarily and discharge it very quickly. Okay, this is the image of the diode where the current flows only one direction, and this is the picture of transistor which is used like a switch or amplifier, and this is the picture of IC 555 timers for the time delay or pulse generation, and this is the LED which is used to glow and dim according to the circuit is concerned. This is the breadboard where we build our electronic circuits using these jumper wires, right? So these components, these electronic components are needed when we build the electronic circuits which is used in robotics, right? Now we talk about at first the capacitor. The mini energy tank stores and releases small amount of electrical energy or the electrical charges, okay, used for delay, timing and filtering. So this is the capacitor symbols. This is the US capacitor symbols and this is the UK capacitor symbol. This is the actual physical image of the capacitor, and this is the image which is used in the Tinkercad. I will show how to build electronic circuit using Tinkercad. So in Tinkercad, this symbol is used for capacitor is concerned. Actually, Tinkercad is a free web-based tool. Okay, it is used for creating and simulating electronic circuit. Right? Tinkercad is a virtual electronics lab where we can build electronic circuit virtually. Right? Now we are talking about the diode, also known as one-way gate, allows current to flow in only one direction, right? So used for protection, right? So this is the diode symbol, this anode, this is the cathode, and this is the physical diode symbol, current flow only the one direction, and this is the symbol which is used in Tinkercad, right? Now we talk about the transistor. The smart switch can turn on and off a circuit used as an amplifier or switch. So this is the NPN transistor symbol, and this is the physical NPN transistor image, and this is the image NPN transistor which is used in the Tinkercad, right? Now we talk about IC 555 timer, brain of timing circuit, okay, used to generate time delays and pulses, very common in robotics and toys. So this is the pin diagram. There is 8 pins are there. This is the 555 pin diagram, and this is the physical image of IC 555 timer. This symbol is used in the Tinkercad as a IC 555 timer, right? So now we talk about the breadboard, your circuit playground, a board to make circuits without soldering. Jumper wires connect components easily. So this is the board where we build our electronic circuits. Actually, this section, this upper 2 rows and below 2 rows are there. They are connected in row wise, right? And this section and these sections are connected in column wise, right? So keep in mind the inner structure of this breadboard. We can build accordingly our electronic circuits according to our need, right? So this is the physical breadboard, and this is the breadboard which is used in the Tinkercad, right? Now, most important safety tips before you start. Always check connections before power on. Be careful of components, polarity, LED, diode, capacitor, right? Don't short the power supply. Okay, so in my upcoming videos, you will learn how to build circuit using LED and capacitor in Tinkercad. Tinkercad is a web-based free tools and is also a virtual electronics lab. So I hope you have understood today's video. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, because more robotics video will come very soon. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.